Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. With all due respect to the Honorable Mr. and Miss Teacher of SMK Kesehatan Reformasi Pontianak, as well as to my beloved friend in grade 3 from 2013 academic year, especially my dearest friends of class 12 Keperawatan 2. At the outset, let's say our praise and gratitude to Allah, the one and Almighty, due to His illimitable grace and blessing you upon us on a blissful day today, so that we all can gather and meet up to celebrate the graduation and farewell ceremony of SMK Kesehatan Reformasi. Secondly, I would like to say my thanks to the committees and everyone who have allowed me to stand here to deliver a speech before all of you. Thirdly, congratulations for all of us. We finally success to pass and graduated. Alhamdulillah, all praises be to you, Ya Allah. The days with terrifying and frightening examination have already gone, and we have passed. We are not high school students any longer. We will be leaving this school and saying goodbye. Memories to all my dearest friends. Before we all have gone too late to realize that the time is just unable to be turned back, and before we all regret wasting our high school times without having even any precious moment. For all those reasons, create the memories as many as you can then. Just do what you want to do, say what you want to say. Say to the teachers who teach so clumsy to alter their style of teaching to be more easygoing. Say to those our schoolgirls who are big mouth and always want to be all beautiful and popular in the entire school that brain is much and intelligent so looks. Say those you love that you really love them. It's now or never, friends. Come on, as time goes by, the memories remain. Farewell, everyone. Congratulations that you are not high school student any longer. Take care of yourself for those who are going to study far from your parents. I think that is the end of my speech. I'm sorry for all my mistake on my words. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.